We might get socked in by those clouds.
It's H-A.
Hallowell. We're hiking Mount Hallowell. I like it a lot. So the elevation on this, Lorraine,
is 3,900 feet, give or take.
Okay.
And we took us just a bit over 3 hours.
Nice.
Good show.
Join us on our adventure. Here we go. Mount Hallowell is in Spipiyus Provincial Park in southern BC. The Malaspina substation is the main transfer station that provides power to much of the northern part of Vancouver Island. You can still hear the power station. So this gravel road lasts for how long? We've been on it for like half an hour maybe? 2 hours on a logging road. I should have asked before coming on to this. To get here, we headed north on Highway 101 past Pender Harbour, then turned right on the Malaspina substation gravel road, past the power lines, then turned into a little clearing where we parked. That was just before the substation. So I guess they call that the washout section back there. So the waterfall and the creek running through. And yeah, we're off the fire road or gravel road, logging road. And this little path is a bit nicer now, so I like this stuff more than walking on big ugly rocks. Donna, you're going to give us a review?
So far, so good.
Good.
Sorry, I'm not at my best this time of the morning.
Oh yeah, it was a bit of an early morning, eh?
3 in a row.
Soft, mossy, and narrow, and it's fabulous. Beautiful ferns. Going uphill, we've gone 1,000 feet already.
1,000 feet, woohoo!
From our vehicle.
Only 2 pee breaks. I'm letting Lorraine lead now, or someone else. Because I was getting all the cobwebs all over my face. So it's someone else's turn to get cobwebs. I feel like I still have some somewhere. So yeah, well, you know this if you hike. If you're the first one through a trail, chances are you're getting all the spiders and cobwebs. Good little steady climb in this one. And a lot of humidity, a lot of heat. Any reviews?
Sweaty and a great workout. Back to that.
Very sweaty day.
Review.
Loving the approach to a great view.
Oh, look at that waterfall, you guys.
Oh, wow!
Pretty blown out in the camera. Sorry you can't see it. So, it's more logging road. I thought when we went to the little trail it would just be trail, but back to this. So it's been a good hiking day. When we get the cloud cover, it's really nice because it's cooler and we're a little bit higher elevation. Donna had pointed out, so we're a bit cooler because of that too. For reals now, we should be done with logging roads. Oh, this is nice in here. Now this is rewarding. This is a beautiful path to walk on. What are you eating, Lorraine?
A really good munchie bar.
Nice. Seems a little bit far still. That's a little bit of uphill left. Well, I'm enjoying this part, but that uphill won't be that much fun. I mean, it's all fun, right? Yeah. A little bit of views, some clouds. Oh, woodpecker holes. Hey, Lorraine, wave. Well, at this rate, we'll do our elevation pretty fast. It all of a sudden started to be really steep. When we turned off the logging road to the left on the little trail, Lorraine had said that we had 1,000 feet left. I was like, 1,000 feet? So this is our uphill here. That's up. We might get sucked in by those clouds. Yeah, they're coming in. It's kind of cliffy here. Watch me almost slip as I step on this slick rock. Oh shoot, that scared me. I should have known better. I was holding onto the camera and could have slipped on that rock. But I had vibrant soles. You need vibrant soles so that you don't slip. That saved my life just now. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm a true believer. Super tired, hot and sweaty, and it's not even a hot day. It's not even sunny. It's cloudy. Look at this. So much for views. Not quite at the top, but this is close to the top, and this mountain is supposed to have amazing views, but we won't see that.
We're socked in.
We're socked in.
Oh wow.
Maybe it'll clear. Maybe we just gotta leave it an hour and it'll burn off.
Yeah, it might.
Yeah. So where's the views?
There is Sultry Bay
Okay.
and the ferry
Okay.
to Sultry Bay from Rose Cove.
So let's go see that view. Oh my gosh. Imagine if you could see something. A whole pile of gray. There was that chance, but there's always that chance. It's gonna be gray. Not what we want. We wanted views. But we're debating hanging around, see if it lifts, give it a little bit of time. Well, a little bit of life left in this thing. I think it should lift. It was kind of supposed to be a sunny, cloudy day forecast, but more sun than clouds, so we'll see. What a beautiful view.
Wow.
I see it's gonna blow over. And it's clearing! This is awesome! Right on! Kind of slowly, clouds are coming in and then lifting, and then more clouds coming in and then lifting. The views span from west to north. We see Vancouver Island, the Strait of Georgia, Tuxedo Island, Pender Harbour, Nelson Island, Saginaw Lake, and Ruby Lake. You can also see Sultry Bay and the ferry route to Earls Cove and much more. This is amazing views up here. What a difference. It was all gray and now we can see. Woo! Well, I'm on my way down. This is always a good part. Yeah, so at the top, it was so exciting when it cleared. I think on a clear day you could still see further, but it was very nice. Definitely awesome views up there.
Oh, I'm glad we went.
Yeah.
That was fun.
2.5 hours down, yay.
Yay!
No, I feel great that we did it.
Good, good.
And the big cloud reveal was dramatic.
Yeah. High fives.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Is he dead?
Maybe he's dead.
What have you found?
A snake, but it's not moving. Who wants to touch it?
Well, I have a pole. Oh no, there it is.
Ah.
There it goes. See, I'm scary.